Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and I am at the Highspire Reservoir, just north of Middletown. I'm meeting Brett and Lewis later on today for some exploration around 3 Mile Island between Falmouth and TMI. Oh my god, this boardwalk is so slick. We had like freezing rain last night. Temperatures are pretty cool. Thought I would just take a quick pre-hike around the reservoir to get warmed up. But this is like, it's so slippery. I don't know, I guess it's boardwalk like the whole time. So, don't know how much of a walk I'll get in here by the reservoir, but we are, got houses on one side. Looks like townhomes or something, but then over here, it's got this wetland marsh area. You know, could be worse, could be walking around down in there, which I think is what I'm getting into with Brett and Lewis. But man, lots of ducks, lots of waterfowl, lots of birds up in the trees. A lot of cattails here and marshiness. All right, happy to be on a gravel trail here for a bit. Lots of little places to squirt out here. Definitely in a very populated urban area. There's buildings across the way there. Looks like an industrial park or something. A lot of very similar buildings, but cool wetland type stuff here. I don't hear any you know, cars or sounds or road noise or anything. There's only one other pair of people here, a couple and their dog, but lots of bird sounds. So it's really you know, you're kind of immersed into nature here, even though you're like, I'm literally like 50 feet from somebody's deck right now. Back to the slippery boardwalk here. With all this marshiness and everything, if it was a lot hotter, I'd say, hey, we're in Florida, better watch out for gators. And then I thought I saw a gator, but we're in Highspire, so that's a tire. It's the last day of February, but spring is sprung. No snow in February. A little bit of freezing rain last night, but that's all melted. All right, so just about a mile north of the parking lot is where everything ends. You can take this trail around that building. It's marked as Dauphin County Housing Authority, but looks like there's some bleachers. Maybe these are fields. I see a scoreboard over there. So you could take this on to Highspire Memorial Park. Not sure what that is, but we are 0.87 miles into our walk. I am going to turn around and head down to Falmouth there. I do have to meet Lewis and Brett, but we'll do just a little bit of filming on the way back, I think, and just make this a short little insight into you know, there's always places to walk. We're in a pretty suburban / urban area. Again, seeing some trailers up there, housing, everything like that. But there's always some place to walk and get some exercise, I think, where you don't expect it, right? So I had no idea this was here. I haven't been to Steelton Highspire in years, but we were headed up to Falmouth here, so I thought I'd take a look at, you know, 3 Mile Island and see what else I could find in the area. And this, if I get a 1.5 miles here as a warm-up hike before I meet up with the guys. Man, picked up these burrs. It's been a while since I honestly had anything like that. All right, that'll do it from Highspire. I'm off to meet Lewis and Brett. Thank you for watching. Thanks for coming along. Again, you can find the trail anywhere. So get out there, take a walk, and I'll see you next time.